How to download and save Instagram videos into any device. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Phil from Practical Media 101. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a simple method in order to download and save any Instagram video into any device of your choosing. Whether you have a PC or a smartphone, you can use this particular method in order to download any Instagram video within minutes. So let's get started. First of all, you have to navigate into this website known as snapinsta.app. I'm going to be leaving a direct link below for this website in the description, so you can go ahead and check out this website from there. Once you are here, you have to go back into your Instagram page and you have to basically copy the link for the video that you wish to download. For that, I'm going to be going here into the top right hand side and I'm going to click on the more options. From here, I'm going to be clicking on copy link and then I'm going to go back into the website that I showed you earlier. And then I'm going to paste the URL inside of the dialog box. Now let's click on the download button. And you will be taken into a page such as this, where you have to scroll down and you have to click on download video. Your video will start downloading. Let's wait for this to finish. And as you can see, the video has been downloaded. Now let's click on it. So as you can see, the video has been successfully downloaded. So this is how you can easily download videos from Instagram. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to the channel, turning on your bell notifications and giving this video a giant thumbs up. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.